Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be sharing with you my Chile Verde recipe that I use in a lot of dishes throughout the week, and even for some special occasions. I used some of this sauce I made in this video for a batch of tamales I made for a family dinner recently. I was even able to save some in the freezer, and we'll be using it in an upcoming enchilada dish, so keep your eye out for that video. Let's get into it. The ingredients are tomatillo, garlic, green onions, jalapeño peppers, Serrano peppers, cilantro, sea salt, olive oil, chicken base, water. Normally when I get started, I like to gather all of the disposable bits in one place so I could throw them away later. So peel the tomatillo skins off and remove all of the stems from the peppers. Next, cut the roots off the green onions and take off the outer layer of the garlic and cut the tip of the garlic head off. If you don't like your sauce spicy, right now is a good time to remove the seeds and the veins from the peppers. We like our sauce spicy here, so I'm going to leave them in. Next, we're going to prepare the ingredients for the oven. Wrap the garlic head in a foil and add olive oil and a pinch of salt. Wash the tomatillos, peppers, green onions, and cilantro. Put aside the cilantro for later and place the rest of the items on a baking sheet. Now, place the tray in the oven and don't forget to add the garlic in as well. I put mine in for 30 minutes at 425 degrees because I had some chicken in the oven at the time. After you let them cool down for a bit, open up the garlic foil and squeeze them out of their shell. I wasn't patient enough here, so I had a hard time because the garlic was really hot. Do as I say, not as I do, right? Now, put all of your ingredients into the blender. I like to cut the green onions so they won't get caught in the blade of the blender. The same goes for the cilantro. Add a scoop of chicken base into the mix as well as 1 cup of water. We're ready to blend it all together now. I hope you enjoyed making this green salsa with me, and let me know down in the comments what you ended up using it for. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more homemade recipes with a healthy spin on it.